Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente, where I show you how to make your favorite Thai and Mexican recipes. Today I'm sharing a Mexican dessert with you guys and they are called Jericallas. So it's not a widely popular dessert here in the US, but Jericallas are actually really popular from my husband's hometown in Guadalajara, Mexico. So Jericallas are essentially a custard-based dessert. It's similar to flan, but flan's gonna have that caramel on top, and Jericallas just have an iconic burnt top to it that you can achieve either with a creme brulee torch or just stick them under the broiler like I did. Today I'm gonna show you two variations on how to make Jericallas. I'm using a dairy-free milk for one version and whole milk for the other version. And at the end, we can see if there's any taste difference. So if you have any dairy allergies or lactose intolerant, the oat milk is gonna be a great option for you. All right, you guys, this dessert is super easy. There's only a few ingredients, so let's get started.
So the version that I'm gonna be showing you guys is with oat milk. So go ahead and add your milk to a saucepan, and then I'm using some granulated sugar. This is 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And if you have Mexican vanilla, please use that. The flavor is a little bit different, but if not, regular vanilla. And then definitely use whole cinnamon sticks. These are Mexican cinnamon sticks. The flavor is a little bit stronger with the Mexican cinnamon sticks, and give everything a good stir. And right when it comes to a boil, go ahead and turn off the heat, stir it again, and then you're gonna take it off the stove and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. So go ahead and set the milk mixture aside, and now we're gonna prep the eggs. If the full recipe calls for 6 eggs, which is gonna make 8 small Jericallas, but since I'm only doing 3, we're gonna just beat 2 eggs. And the key is to whisk them very vigorously so that way the custard batter is nice and smooth. Okay, so our milk mixture has cooled off. I'm just gonna remove the cinnamon stick, set that aside, and then we're going to temper the eggs. So the milk shouldn't be hot, but just in case, we're gonna add a little bit at a time to the egg mixture and give that a good whisk. And now we're gonna add the remaining milk mixture into the egg and whisk it all together so it is nice and smooth. All right, you guys, so that is the custard for the Jericallas. So I have a glass baking dish that I filled halfway up with water. This is important because we don't want the Jericallas to dry out while they're cooking. So they need to be cooked with a water bath. So I do have the 4 cups in here just to kind of keep it secure, but it is only gonna make 3 Jericallas with that amount of milk and eggs. So go ahead and place it into a 350-degree oven. After testing both types of milks, the whole milk Jericallas, these are the ones on the left, take 30 minutes to bake, and then the oatmeal Jericallas take about 45. So you can see the whole milk Jericallas look very traditional. They have that lighter color and more browning on top, and the oat milk ones did turn out a darker color and they didn't get as much spotting on top.
Okay, so let's start with the whole milk version first. And then you can see it's kind of like an egg custard type. Very similar to flan. So that's the original version, which is the first one that I've had, and it's good. So let's try the oat milk version. And same, it has that same consistency. It's just a little bit darker. Wow, so the tastes are actually pretty similar. I personally can't eat a lot of dairy, so I would definitely be happy with the oat milk version. And honestly, the texture is just a little bit lighter in the whole milk version, as opposed to the oat milk is a little bit denser, but I like both of them. So if you can't tolerate dairy, then definitely try the jericalla with oat milk. And if you want the original version with whole milk, then this is great too. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this authentic dessert from Guadalajara, Mexico. And be sure to leave me any comments below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.